channel. This is a tutorial about this Jamaican bounce hair. I hope you like it. I'm loving it. If you want to see how I did this crochet, keep watching. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button. Join the joke joint, honey, the joke joint. My name is Marissa, Jote, or Jack of all trades. Stay tuned. We'll be trying this shea butter cream. Our bounce hair, we need that. I'm going to be using this jam for my edges before I braid it. And we're going to need a comb. I love my Afro comb. My rat tail comb. A clip to pull my hair out of my way while I'm braiding. And I'm going to be trying this Ebin New York 24-hour edge tamer. Okay, let's spray. Get this hair wet. And start the ball rolling. So as soon as I put this moisturizer in my hair frizzed up. It felt even drier and brittle. I didn't like the feel of it. So I don't think I will be trying this African Pride Shea Butter Miracle. Has anybody else tried this? Let me know how it did for you. But as soon as I put in my hair, I didn't like the texture of my hair. So I probably will just use it to moisturize um, braiding hair. This is my braid pattern, just straight back. Very simple braid pattern. Here I'm applying the Ebin New York 24-hour edge tamer. I am trying this and it seems to be doing pretty good. It says extra mega hold. So I'll give you a review real quick about how much I like it or dislike it. for the top part of my head, I will split the braid in two. This way it helps to fill up more and cover it up. So right here, what I'm doing is I am adding that Shea Butter Miracle Moisture Intense to the bounce hair just to soften it. Love you guys.